Connecting existing equipment drives better decision-making, increases productivity, and creates new insights. But connecting those assets can't disrupt current operations or introduce new risk. At Microsoft, we want to keep your vital operational equipment running smoothly while still unlocking business potential. We understand that businesses need flexible, highly secure solutions for connecting their equipment and applications without having to redesign or rip and replace. That's why we've designed Azure Sphere. Azure Sphere combines Microsoft's deep expertise in hardware, software, and cloud technology to provide secure connectivity from the silicon to the Azure Sphere OS and all the way to the cloud. It brings together Azure-certified MCUs, the in-depth defense of the Azure Sphere OS, and over-the-air updates from the Azure Sphere Security Service that protect you from evolving threats, so even the most crucial systems can be securely connected in an end-to-end solution. And when we say end-to-end, we mean it. Azure Sphere Guardian modules provide comprehensive security by allowing you to retrofit your existing devices, often using available ports and without specialized technical skills. And because Azure Sphere takes an open approach, you can easily extend and manage that security across all your equipment and systems without having to redesign your operations. Make things happen with your products and your business.